Right, we're going to jump right in here and we're going to try to build some functionality or a plugin with ChatGPT just to see what it comes out with. So this is a website we're working on currently, and this is standard WordPress installation. So this is the shop page, the location, this is the product title, and then we got the price. And this website is for people to book trips, for day trips, overnight trips. So that's the title of the trip and that's the price of the trip, but you can't see the date of when that trip's taking place. So the user's got to click the product and then the date is there. So we want to be able to get this date on this page. So this is their current website. You can see that they've got the date there underneath the title of the trip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if we can get ChatGPT to create the functionality for us to add that in to WooCommerce. So we're going to create a prompt now. So we've created a prompt here. At first, we're just going to ask ChatGPT for its advice on how this can be implemented. So I've built a new website using WordPress and WooCommerce for a business that sells trips. On the shop page, we have the product image, title, and then the price. In between the title and the price, we would like to include the date of the trip. Attached is a screenshot from the old website with an example and a screenshot of the new website with the date missing. So I'm going to add these images now, and then what I'm asking is, should we create a plugin to create this functionality, or should we develop the function and add it to the child theme? So we'll see what it comes back with. So what it's suggesting here is that we can use advanced custom fields, and then we can create this feature by adding the code to the child theme. So let's give this a go. So we're going to give this a go to add advanced custom fields. So we've just added it to the website, and I'm going to need it to walk me through how to set up advanced custom fields, because I've normally just use Elementor or something. So yep, we've installed that. So we are here, so click add field. So this is the field label. Okay, so I need this field label. Date, field label, field name. Yep. Field type is date picker. And then return format important for sorting later, year, month, date. Interesting. So that's none of them. Oh no, that's return format. Okay, so that I think is that one. Okay, so that's good. Set display. So let's save that for the time being. So that is good. And now we need to find set display in the location rules section. So I'm guessing it's still here. General. Location rules. Let's see what location rules are. So that's that setting. And then actually if we keep on scrolling down, here it is. So we got post type. Post type is equal to product. That's what we want there. Okay, so we save. Go to your products, and now, having done that, we should now have a new field, I guess. On the product page, go to edit the product, fill in the trip date. Yeah. Very good. August 1st. Let's do that. Actually, what one is this? This is County Durham. County Durham, 29th. Oh. Let's try something else. That is 2. That's over a few days. We're going to think about how we got to put that in there. Okay. Trip date is. So we've done that. Okay, now we have to move on to the next part of the development, and that's placing the date in between the product name and the pricing. So we need to sort that out. So we need to copy this file from the file manager. So if I go to, so we've got to go to the file manager, and then go to WooCommerce, WooCommerce templates. And then we want the content product. I'm not sure if that is, well, we'll see. Let's see. Content product. And then we need to upload it to the chart theme. So we need to create a new folder for WooCommerce. And then upload the file. And then make the change. Now this might be a bit difficult. In that file, locate the title and the price code. Insert the trip date between them. So I need to find this basically. So the best way for me to find this is if I results. Look. I'll just ask where I put it. That's the easiest way to do. Maybe should be using a different ChatGPT model for this, but I didn't expect to do some coding. So let's see how that goes. So let's save that, and now let's see if this works. That hasn't worked. Let's remove the add to cart button out of the image. Maybe not sure if we can change models halfway through a conversation. Because I needed one, didn't I? Which one did I do? Oh yeah, there you go. So that has worked. It's just moved the add to cart button out. Okay, so that's totally worked. Amazing. That's great. Okay, perfect. Now let's move on to the next. Oh, the date came in. Okay, so for the time being, I'll work out how to move that button later on, but that's not a big deal. That's having an add to cart button there is okay. What we do need to do is organize the products by their date. So we've asked ChatGPT here to do that, and it's telling us to add this code to the functions file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste our current functions file and ask it to rewrite that. That way the trips should, okay, so rewriting the code. Let's see if that works. Oh, there's only one trip in there because that's the only trip we put a date on. So let's edit another trip. Let's see what we got. Let's do this. Maritime. That trip is on Friday, 25th of July. Let's save that. There you go. Amazing. So yeah, that's how you can use ChatGPT to help you add new features to your website. I have an understanding of coding, but there's no way I could write a working piece of code of PHP or anything else. So I have a good understanding of how to the file structure of WordPress. So by using ChatGPT, giving the file to ChatGPT to also rewrite. So you're just copying and pasting. For basic features, this can work quite well. So yeah, I'm going to get on and get these dates added. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and drop me any questions below and I'll be glad to help you. If you could like and subscribe to the channel, it would be a huge help and I'll be greatly appreciative of that. And thanks for watching.